covering it.
Just to hold the wire against the thing?
No,
Okay.
so it holds drywall.
Gotcha. Alright.
They're putting some wall closer. And on this side, almost complete. And this one have wall also.
Is it big enough?
Yeah. So,
So what you want me to lift it up and...
make it a mess.
You ain't right, man.
Use a saw.
I don't need the saw.
Yes, you do. Use a saw.
Where that?
Next to your foot.
Oh, that's
Oh,
for the
you
other
ain't right,
side.
man.
Getting light here,
I'm over here.
and we're getting a carbon monoxide alarm.
It's like fucking inch and a quarter.
Okay, you need 2-inch washer.
Yeah.
So we're fixing the water line for the washing machine and for the toilet.
Hold that pocket for him so it doesn't fall. Hold it.
Can you explain it again, Anthony, what's gonna happen on the line?
These are the old water supply lines to the old washing machine. So we're taking them out, we're rerunning. We're gonna use PEX, modern material. Put in new valves. And then run new lines. For the bathroom and the new washing machine. Through these beams into the soil line over there. Back of there.
So that's
Soil
the pipe.
Yeah, over there.
So they put the pipe there, it's hiding now, and they're gonna drill a hole.
Yep.
Yay! So before we have a sink now, there's no more sink.
Washer box.
Yeah.
You can have this.
They're gonna use.
These valves control the washers right
So
here.
the red is for the hot water.
Hot water and cold water. And it goes right in the wall.
Because before we cannot use.
Shut them off.
Yeah, it's so tight.
But these, you'll be able to do that. And it sits into the wall real nice. Like that. And your drain pipe will go in here. The hose from the washer. This gets drilled out. Directly right into the soil line. No, Frank.
Huh?
No.
I get the cutter.
That's right over there.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here real quick. I just want to make sure if I know where 7.3/8 is. Here. That's a quarter. Alright.
Was it 70 what? 73?
38, yes.
So he's using a liquid nails.
TikTok.
Yeah, Frank. 11,000 doors.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Pull it out.
What you gotta do?
And that's the PVC for the water. Oh, there's a hole already.
Yeah. Already.
So that's gonna be the
Washing machine.
flush for the washing machine.
Yeah. No more sink.
Yay!
No more mold.
Yay!
Basically, they ripped out all the old plumbing over there in that pile, and they put in new plumbing here. So this is going to go to the new bathroom, and then this section here splits the water feed from our plumbing down to our new washing machine. Is going to get connected to here.
And then they will make a hole in the pipe, right?
And then they will cut a hole in the sewage line which is that waste line there, and then we'll connect it, the wash machine directly to it. So there'll be no sink anymore.
So I'm going now to our basement. So this is the week 2 of our basement renovation. So this is the switch. They still need to put a cover. And then we already removed the carpet, and then they still need to remove the foam. And then it will be replaced also. So there's one switch upstairs that controls the basement. And then in this area, they still need to put a pin light. They already removed the wall here. And then they fixed already the water source. And then there's another switch here that controls the basement. So this is a second one. So it's almost finished putting the wall and ceiling. The pin light in this area are complete already. We're just waiting for the electrician so that the other switch and socket can be put. And then this area is almost finished. They still need to put some wall. And then some switch and socket. And then this is another switch that control the basement. So we have 3 switches that control this area of our basement. So this is the third one. And then in our powder room, so it's been extended already. They still need to remove the toilet bowl, because it needs to be replaced. And it can, they will move the toilet in this area. Then still need to put a light here. And then yesterday the plumber is already here. He changed already the source of the water from the hot and cold, and then they put a much bigger PVC pipe. So this is gonna be a plug, and then the vanity will be in the center, and then we have switch here for the light here. And then in the other corner in our laundry area, so this is the switch here. So the plumber already changed the source of the water. So they use this PVC, the red and blue, because before there's like a lot of PVC here. Now it's clean, and then this is connected to the toilet. And then they change it, the PVC, now it's big. Now it's connected to the main pipe. And also for our washing machine, it's connected already. So we don't need to use a sink, because before we have a sink in this area. So this is the connecting to the sink before. So now it's all connected in one pipe. So there's a hot and cold. And then they already put an insulation in this area. And then in this part, some have insulation already. And then in this part, there's a wall already. They still need to put a light in this area. So this is the week 2 of our basement renovation.